Hey there, urban explorers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to the city that never sleeps, you're in for a treat. Today, we're spilling the beans on the secret tips and hidden gems that will make your visit to New York City unforgettable. Now let's unlock the secrets of the Big Apple. New York City, the Big Apple, is a vibrant metropolis teeming with iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. While the city's top attractions are worth visiting, venturing off the beaten path unveils a unique and authentic New York experience. Here are some secret tips and places to enhance your New York City adventure. Explore Dumbo's street art scene. The enchanting neighborhood of Down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, affectionately known as Dumbo, is renowned for more than just its picturesque views. While many visitors gravitate towards well-known art galleries, a lesser-known delight awaits those who choose to traverse its cobblestone streets. Take a leisurely stroll along Washington Street, where you'll find the perfect vantage point to capture the Manhattan Bridge framed by the historic surroundings, adorned with vibrant and ever-changing street art that paints a vivid narrative of the neighborhood's artistic spirit. Green Escape in Central Park. While Central Park is a ubiquitous destination, there exists a clandestine world within its sprawling greenery that often escapes the notice of the average visitor. Beyond the well-trodden paths and iconic landmarks, the Hallett Nature Sanctuary emerges as a serene oasis, offering an escape from the urban hustle and an opportunity to commune with nature amidst the heart of the city. The North Woods, with its meandering trails and the gentle melody of a cascading waterfall, provides an enchanting retreat where tranquility reigns supreme, hidden from the bustling cityscape. Elevated views from the High Line. The High Line, a captivating park built on a repurposed railway track, offers visitors a unique perspective of the city's skyline. While this elevated oasis is no secret, timing can transform the experience into a more intimate affair. Consider a visit during the early morning or late afternoon to avoid the crowds, granting you the luxury of unhurried appreciation. As you traverse this verdant pathway, be prepared to encounter not only breathtaking views of the Hudson River, but also a curated collection of art installations and meticulously cultivated gardens that add an artistic touch to your elevated journey. Secret speakeasies. New York City's rich history of speakeasies, clandestine bars that harken back to the Prohibition era, offers an intriguing exploration for the discerning visitor. While names like PDT, Please Don't Tell, may be familiar, the city harbors lesser-known gems waiting to be uncovered. Attaboy, nestled in the Lower East Side, or Rain's Law Room in Chelsea, are among these hidden establishments. Discovering them often requires more than just geographical knowledge. It demands a keen eye and a sense of adventure, ensuring that the experience of reveling in secret libations remains exclusive and elusive. Offbeat museums. While New York City is home to world-renowned museums, there exists a parallel universe of cultural exploration beyond the mainstream institutions. The Museum of the American Gangster in East Village or the Morbid Anatomy Museum in Brooklyn beckon those who seek to unravel niche aspects of the city's complex tapestry. These offbeat museums provide a fascinating lens through which to view the city's history, offering a unique and unconventional narrative that extends beyond the well-trodden paths of more traditional establishments. Uncover Brooklyn's street art. Brooklyn, often celebrated for its eclectic spirit, emerges as a treasure trove of street art, particularly in neighborhoods like Bushwick. While guided street art tours are available, there is an undeniable thrill in meandering through the borough's streets, discovering vibrant murals and expressive graffiti that contribute to its urban tapestry. This open-air gallery showcases the raw, unfiltered creativity that defines Brooklyn's artistic landscape, inviting visitors to witness a living, breathing manifestation of the borough's ever-evolving identity. Chinatown's culinary secrets. While Chinatown is a well-known culinary destination, venture beyond the bustling main streets to find hidden gems. Explore Doyers Street, known as the Bloody Angle, for its tucked-away eateries offering authentic Chinese cuisine. Don't miss the chance to savor hand-pulled noodles or discover a hidden dim sum spot. Secret gardens. Beyond Central Park, New York City boasts charming hidden gardens. The Elizabeth Street Garden in Nolita and the West Side Community Garden in the West Village are serene escapes that offer a tranquil contrast to the city's urban landscape. Roosevelt Island Tram. For a unique perspective of Manhattan, take the Roosevelt Island Tram. This aerial tramway provides stunning views of the skyline and the East River. It's a lesser-known but equally thrilling alternative to traditional modes of transportation. Off-peak times for top attractions. To avoid long lines and crowds, plan your visits to popular attractions during off-peak times. Consider exploring the Empire State Building early in the morning or late at night to enjoy the breathtaking views without the masses. Well, that wraps up our adventure through the secret tips and hidden gems of New York City. We hope you enjoyed this insider's guide and that it adds a sprinkle of magic to your upcoming visit. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. And of course, subscribe for more travel secrets from around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.